Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about free or cheap things to do during the summer. So we're going to start off by talking about one of our most favorite things to do during the summer, which is trying out these free splash pads that they have everywhere. This one is one of our favorites in particular. This is at Alhambra Park. But they do have several other free splash pads across the city. So if you scroll down to the description bar, I'm going to be including some of the most popular ones that I could find, because they do have so many free ones around the LA area. So basically all we do is just bring our bikinis, some sunscreen, some towels of course, and I also like to bring my picnic blanket and some food and snacks to feed the kids when they do get hungry. But we literally stay here for hours because they love playing in the water. So I definitely recommend bringing your own food to the park. Here I'm just showing you guys a little cooler that I love bringing all my snacks in. I believe I got it for like $10 last year at Target, but I like to keep all the cool stuff in here. So like I have my salad, my strawberries. Apple loves these little snack things. They're apples with yogurt and peanuts. And then I have the grapes, and of course oranges because my kids are in love with oranges. But I just like to have a little picnic and wait in the shade while the kids are playing in the water, because I could watch them from here. But yeah, definitely have my little picnic ready. Look at Bubba. Snack time. Look at Bubba.
You already got wet? Now it's taking
What are you doing, sir? Look at Apple though. Say little buffet right here. You like that, baby?
I play this one.
We love these little water balloons. They're so easy to make. We're gonna take them to the park. Just stick it onto the little water hose, and then they blow up. So it's easier to do instead of doing them one by one. See, they're almost done. So they just fall out automatically once they're all the way done.
Bubba.
Yeah, they're big, babe. Do they just fall out? Yeah, right?
Oh, one is squeaky.
Yay! See, now they're all done. There you go. All the water balloons ready. So here's another splash pad that we like coming to. We haven't actually been here in 2 years, but it's called Cerrito Park in Glendale. They have a small little splash pad right here. The kids like to have fun here. And they have this huge grass area where the kids can play. I brought their little water guns. And then I brought like a little picnic blanket thing, so we can have a little picnic. Park is that they have like this little shading area with the picnic tables. And they also have the little playground, kind of big. So yeah, it's super cute. I love this one. This one's in Glendale. It's called Cerrito Park. So they have the little splash pad. So they have the little splash pad. The water comes out. So yeah, guys, definitely check out your nearest splash pad. I'm gonna try and leave all of the ones that I can find around LA. But this one and the one in Alhambra is one of our favorite ones. Go into the one in the middle. But yeah, it's totally free. You don't even have to have your bathing suits on. Like the last time we came in our clothes. Yeah, go baby. The last time we came in our clothes, so it's perfectly fine. I just suggest bringing your own towels and like snacks for the kids. And you can have like a fun little day right here. And then after that, when they're done with the water, we're gonna go play in the playground. Guys, here is another deal that I wanted to show you guys. It's called Splash Zone. It's in Rosemead, California. I'll leave the address down below. But it's a small little water park. It's super cute. It has a splash pad, a pool, and I think 2 water slides. But it's only $2 for adults and $1 for kids. This is what I wanted to show you guys because I thought that's an awesome deal for a little water park. So let me show you guys how it looks inside. Okay guys, so here's the water park, the pool, the splash pad, and the water slides. Bubba and Daddy are about to go down the slide. Yeah. Bubba! You did it! Woo!
Are you ready, Mama? Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Alright, go ahead. Alright, go ahead. You got my lip on the back. Lay on your back, okay? Lay on your back. Ready? Go! Lay on your back. Lay on your back.
It is discounted movie tickets. So we are here at Edwards Movie Theater. So on Tuesdays and Sundays, they're discounted prices. So some of them are $5 all the way up to $7.50. You just have to go on their website. I'll leave the link down below to see what the prices are. But on Sundays and Tuesdays, they're normally discounted. Well, the one that I go to, this is the one in Alhambra. So yeah, you have to buy them at the box office or on Fandango, but you have to be a Regal Crown Club member. So I'll leave the link down below if you guys aren't a Regal Crown Club member to join. It's completely free. It's just like a little membership for their theaters. I definitely recommend it because like I said, you can't get the tickets on the sale unless you have that Crown Club member. So yeah, just go down below and go ahead and sign up for free. So another thing that I wanted to mention is that I buy my tickets on Fandango. Since we go to the Alhambra when there is assigned seating. But Fandango does charge a small convenience fee. I think I pay like $5 extra. So I do recommend going into the actual theater and purchasing them there so you can avoid paying the fees. Okay, you guys, so here's another movie special I wanted to show you guys. This is the Regency Theaters in Pasadena, and on Wednesdays they have a special for 2 movie tickets, 2 popcorns, and 2 drinks for only $10, guys. You cannot beat that price. So here are some of the movies that are showing: Secret Life of Pets, Shaft, Hustle. I definitely recommend this theater because $10 for all of that is an awesome deal. Okay, you guys, I know that I inserted this in my last video, but I just wanted to remind you guys that the beach is another awesome free thing to do for the summer. So just make sure to bring your sunscreen, your towels, your bikinis, and a couple of snacks, and you guys are all set for the beach day. So this is our latest beach day. We went to Oceanside Beach, which is kind of near San Diego. And we loved it there. It was so pretty out there. Can't wait to go back. But yeah, I just wanted to insert this just to remind you guys. It's totally free to go to the beach.